So today I'll be showing you how to research meme coins, how to find the ones you need to buy, the best coins to buy. Like if you hear about meme coins, not everything you buy, right? So you need to know how to research meme coins. So I'll be showing you how to actually do a proper research of meme coins, how to know the one that will rock pool and to avoid those ones, and how to know the next one that will pop off. I mean, these are basic things you need to know if you want to go into the meme coin business. So I'll be breaking everything down in this video. So you have to actually like this video, click the subscribe button, and share this video to anyone, maybe your family or friends that might be interested in something like this. So basically, like, subscribe, and share this video. So let's go. You have to your website, sorry, your Chrome, your PC, whatever you're using, and search for dexscreener.com. Then once you click dexscreener.com, this will be shown to you. This is the website of dexscreener. This is dexscreener website. So basically, why we use dexscreener is because most of the smaller meme coins won't be listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So we use dexscreener for this. So you can actually go ahead and search if you have anyone in mind, or if someone sends an update to you, you can actually search for the name. But now let's just use the first one we are seeing here for this illustration. Yeah, so let's use Pengu. So we'll just click on this first one here. So once it opens up, you will see everything about Pengu, um, the Twitter, the Telegram, the current price. What the major thing we need to look at for here is the liquidity. And once we see this, the liquidity, what we need to see is in each pair we want to trade or want to invest in. What we need to see is the liquidity being padlocked with a green circle around it. This means that there's a backup fund, like they can't dump on you. Once you do not see this, I mean, you have to run. That means there's no liquidity backing up this project, and it can be dumped anytime if you're holding the project. So major thing you should be looking at for is this liquidity with the padlock, meaning there's a backup fund for your investment. You understand? So that's one of the major things you have to look out for first. So the thing you have to do is scroll down and see this Pengu. So you have to copy this contract address. Once copied, you head over to rockchecker.xyz. So this is rockchecker.xyz. So this place we check whether the project, the meme coin, is actually valid. So we head over to the token address. We paste the address we copied earlier and check. What we are looking for is a score mark of good. So it says good. This means the project as Pengu is actually good to go. Then the second next thing, or the second best or second most necessary stuff to do or to check is top holders. So according to this place, the top holders is 13%, which is the Radium exchange. Rhythm Exchange is holding 8% and other wallets are holding less than 1%. This is not actually bad per se, but if the top holders were holding less than 10%, then it will be okay. So the top holders is 13%, you get, which is not bad. But if you see top holders having up to 20, 30, or 50% of the project, that means you have to run for your life. So let me just break it down like this. Imagine them holding 50% of the project and deciding to sell off. That means if you had $100, you'll be in minus by the time they are done selling off. So this is why we check this to know the projects which we will be investing in. So now the top order is Radium, that's the exchange, and it is locked. So in here they can actually sell off or dump in the market, and the percentage they are holding is 13%. That's top holders, they're holding 13%, which might shake the market a little bit. That's why I say if they had less than 10%, it would have been better, but 13% isn't bad either. So you get the point now. So we are looking for something that is 10% or lesser, but 30% isn't bad because they can't actually dump on you because the liquidity is locked. So that's one of the things we are looking at for, or you have to look out for, is their Telegram and Twitter. So let's just head over to the Twitter. Understand? So let's just head over to Twitter and check the activities um, happening in their Twitter. So first of all, we have to check their Twitter and Telegram. Well, you can see that the Twitter, the X, there's the X, is not doing so well. So they are still a very new project, which can mean one thing. You have to, I mean, you have to be very cautious. This can go either ways very, very fast. You understand? This is basically a pop and dump. That was the point. So Twitter, there isn't much going on. Let's check the comment section. Let me know if people are commenting. And so they are still basically starting off. 100x coming soon. Please send me a DM. Let's collaborate. Scam peak. 10x easy. Let's go. Support the community. We lost our money in this project. So if something like this now, we lost our money in this. Sorry, let me get back. We lost our money in this project. So something like this is not what you should overlook. So once you see this, then that means it already has a bad review, and probably, I mean, you should be cautious, very cautious at this point, whether to invest or walk away to find another one. So basically, for me, if I wanted to invest in this project, I won't be investing. First of all, number one thing was the Twitter, their X handle is very new, 500 followers. That's very poor for a project, and there's no much activities, and the users, the community are complaining. So this is an X for me. So basically, this is what I check out. This is not the only thing you check out though, but this is what I check out, the few things I've checked out. Watch the next video to see more things to check out before buying a project. This video I'll make it short so it will be understandable, you understand? So I'll make it a series where we can actually converse and know how to go about meme coins. So please like and subscribe if you haven't. Then the next video, watch out for it. You must we must make money from this meme coin. That's the fact. And I'll show you everything you need to know on how to invest in meme coins so you won't lose your money. And about 10x, 20x, and 50x your money. You can get from anywhere from $10 to 50, 100, 1,000, and $1 million by doing your proper research. There's no magic in this. This is just by being very careful. So I'll be showing this in the subsequent videos. You have to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please like and comment. Tell me what you would look out for if you're investing in meme coins in the comment section as well. So yeah, let's go.